Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off key pop-up, that is pop-up for key press in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. When you press letters in the keyboard, there will be small pop-up for each press. See here, I type U, so U is showing like a small pop-up. When I type O, O is showing P. Okay, a pop-up will be showing when you press each time a letter or number or whatever. Okay, it can also be reflected for the symbol. Okay, so this pop-up, that is pop-up on key press. If you would like to turn off this pop-up for key press, as you can do it, what you got to do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system management and go to languages and input and click on screen keyboard and select manage on screen keyboards and tap on Gboard and go to preferences and scroll down. You will find pop-up on key press. Just turn it off so that you will not get any pop-up hereafter on the keyboard for each press. Okay, so in this way you can easily control pop-up for key press in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.